Good morning to all. This is for class 5th maths. Class 5th, today we are going to start our new chapter number 5, factors and multiples. So, what are factors and multiples and how we have to find this? See, if it is asked write the factor, then we have to see that particular number is coming in which table. Suppose it is asked write the factor of 12. So we will see the number 12 is coming in which other tables. That will be our factors. And in multiples, we have to go through the tables. Suppose if it is asked write the multiples of 7, then we will read the table of 7. So these are factors and multiples. Now let us come to the exercise. Now exercise 5A. First question, fill in the blanks. If 2 into 5 into 7 is 70, so 70 is the multiple of. Now 70 is multiple of which numbers? Means in which other table 70 is coming? 2, 5, 7, 35, 14, 10. In these numbers 70 is coming, so this will be our answer. Now B, the first two common multiple of 2 and 3. So first two common multiple of 2 and 3, that means a number which is coming in both the table 2 and 3. So the first number will be 6. And then we will double this, the second number will come, that is 12. Now see, 91 is equal to 7 into 13, so 7 and 13 are the factors of 91. 91 is equal to 7 into 13, so 7 and 13 are the factors of 91. Now D part, 6 and 18 are the factors of 108. So 108 is divisible by 6 and 18. Divisible. D part answer is divisible. Now coming on to second. In this you have to find out the multiples only. See, write first 4 multiple of 7. So the answer is 7, 14, 21, 28. We have to go through the table of 7 only. So like this way you have to find out the multiples only as it is said. So this remaining part is your homework. You have to do second question remaining part by your own. Now coming on to question number 3. Tick the multiples of the colored number. Now you have to tick the multiple of the colored number. That means the colored number first one is 8. Now in the table of 8, which numbers are coming, that you have to tick. Like 16 is coming, so you will tick 16. Then 47 is not coming. 64, yes it is coming, then tick. Then 98, it is not coming. Then 112, it is coming, tick. So like this you have to do. Here the color number is 9, so you will check these numbers which number are coming in 9 and that number will be ticked. Others will left like this. So like this you have to solve the remaining parts also. Now coming on to question number 4. Write the first two common multiple of 5 and 3. Again 5 and 3 it is coming, then we will multiply both the numbers. Then we will get 15. So first multiple will be 15. And we will double that, we will get the second multiple. So 15 double means 30. So second multiple will be 30. So likewise you have to solve this. In this in next question, question number 5. In this 3 common multiples are asking. So first of all we will find the first multiple. We have to find a number which is coming in both the table 10 and 15. So first will be 30. 30 is coming in both the tables. So first answer will be 30. Then we will double it. Then second multiple will be 60. Then third multiple will be 90. Like this you have to see and solve. Now coming on to question number 6. In each of the following is the first number a factor of the second number? This is very easy. In this only you have to divide the numbers, and if the remainder is coming, then you will say no, it is not the factor, and if remainder is not coming, then you will say yes, it is the factor. See, first one I have done for you. Like this you will divide 7 divided by 91. So like this you will divide. Here the remainder is 0. So you will write here, yes, it is the factor. Yes, it is factor. Like this. And if remainder will come something apart from 0, then you will write here, no, it is not the factor. Like this you have to do. So it is simple division. Divide it and check it whether it is fully divisible or not. Now coming on to question number 7. A part. Take the factor of 24 among the following. These numbers are given in among these numbers which all are divided by 24. You have to tick that. So like this 2 is completely divided by 24. Then you will tick like this. Then 3 is also divided by 24. Tick it. 4 is also divided. Tick it. In the table of 5, 24 is not coming. So this cannot be ticked. In the table of 6, 24 is coming. Yes. In the table of 8, yes. In the table of 10, no. Then in the table of 12, yes, it is coming. Then in the table of 16, no, it is not coming. So it will not be ticked. Similarly, you have to do the B part also. In this the number is 96. So you have to choose from the given numbers which all are completely divided by 96. So you have to tick that number. Now see question number 8. Write 3 factors of the following numbers other than 1 and number itself. Means you have to see in which other table this 36 is coming. But it should not be 1 and the number itself. Number itself means 36 itself. Apart from these 2 numbers, you have to write other 3 number in whose table 36 is coming. So in which table 36 is coming? It is coming in the table of 2. So your answer will be 2, then 3, then 4. Only 3 factors you have to write. So like this you will see that the given number is coming in which others table. That 3 numbers you have to write here. Similarly, rest parts are also has to be done. So you have to do it by your own. Now in 9th question, in this you have to write all the factors of 32. But it should not be 1 and the number itself. Apart from 1 and apart from the given number, you have to write the other number. So you have to check in which other tables 32 is coming. So this has to be done like this. We have to find out all the factors, all the numbers in which 32 is coming. So it is coming in the table of 2, 4, 8 and 16. Like this you have to write the answer. Similarly, you have to do B part also. You have to check the number 56. It is coming in which others table. You have to write those numbers here. Now coming on to next question, question number 10. Write the even number between 88 and 99. So you have to write all the even number that are coming between 88 and 99. What are even numbers? Even numbers are those numbers which are completely divisible by 2. Those are even numbers. So you have to write the even numbers from 88 to 99. So the answer will be 90, 92, 94, 96 and 98. Now you have to write in B part the last 5 odd numbers that are less than 900. Last 5 odd numbers that are less than 900. First of all, you should know what are odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divided by 2. See, even numbers are those numbers which are completely divided by 2, and odd numbers are those numbers which are not divided by 2. So you have to write the odd numbers less than 900. So what are the numbers? 891, 893, 895, 897 and 899. These are the 5 numbers. Now C part, you have to write the first 4-digit even number. It should be having 4 digits. You have to write the even numbers. So 4 digits start from 1000. So is 1000 a even number? Yes. Then we will start from 1000 itself. So 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006. These are 4 digits, 4 even numbers. Now coming on to exercise 5B. First question is, pick the prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which do not come in any other table rather than its own table. Means a number is coming in others table, then it will not be a prime number. Prime number are those numbers which are coming by in their table only. So you have to pick here the prime numbers. So in first one, what all are the prime numbers? 2, 5, 19, 1 is not the prime number. Only these are the prime numbers. Similarly, you have to see in B part also. The number which can be divided by the other number will not be a prime number. Prime number are those numbers which is divided by itself, not by any other number. So now you can easily find out what are prime number. You have to just tick. Now coming on to question number 2, pick the composite numbers. Now what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are those numbers which can be divided by other number also, which are coming in the table of other numbers also. It is very opposite of prime numbers. In prime number are those numbers which can be divided only by the number itself and not by other number. Composite number which can be divided by other numbers also. So like this, 0 is not coming in any other number, so it is not a composite number. 25 is coming in other number also, so it is a composite number. Then 18, it is also coming in other tables, so it is also a composite. Then 19 is not coming in any of the table, so that is why it is not a composite number. Hope now you understood what are composite numbers. So you have to just tick the numbers which are composite. So B and C part you can do it by your own now. Now in third A part, you have to write the first 6 prime numbers that is greater than 20. So 20 से ऊपर जो भी prime numbers हैं वो लिखने हैं. And you all know what are prime numbers. So this is your homework. You have to do it by your own. Now in B part, first 10 composite numbers are greater than 31. Above 31, what all are composite numbers? You have to write those numbers. You all are aware about the composite numbers now. So this is also your homework. You have to do it by your own. Composite numbers, I am again explaining you. Composite numbers are those numbers which are coming in others table also. Like if he is asking greater than 31. So greater than 31, the first composite number will be 32. Because it is coming in others table. Then 33, then 34, 35, 36, like this. 37 is not a composite number. It is a prime number because 37 is divided by itself only. It is not divided by any other number. So that is why it is not a composite number. Hope now you understood. Now coming on to question number 4. Are the following pair of numbers coprime numbers? Now you have to find out whether these pairs are coprime or not. What are coprime numbers? See, in coprime numbers, first of all, we have to do the factors of both the numbers. Then we will match the factors. If any of the number is matching in both the factors, then we will say this is not a coprime. But if no number is matching, then we will say yes, they are coprime numbers. Like first one I am doing for you. See, first of all, we have to do the factors. How the factor has to be done? See, there is a number 25. We will see by which number we can be divide this. So 25 can be easily divided by 5. So that is why we will put here 5 and divide it. It will be divided 5 times. So we will write here 5. Now 5 is coming in the table of 5 only. So we will divide 5, then we will get 1. Now our factors of 25 are 5 into 5. Similarly, we will factor the next number, that is 36. 36 is coming in the table of 2. So we will divide by 2 and the answer will be 18. Now 18 is also coming in the table of 2. So we will write here 2. And after dividing we will get 9. Now 9, it is not coming in table of 2. Then we will see next number. Now next number is 3. 9 is easily divisible by 3. So we will write here 3 and divide it by 9. We will got the answer 3. Now again 3 is divided by 3 itself. So after dividing we will get 1. So these are the factors of 36. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the factors of 36. Now we will match both the factors whether any number is matching or not. So we will found the factors of 25 and 36 are totally different. Not even a single number is matching with each other. Now if the numbers are not matching, then we will say yes, they are coprime. If there would be a single number also that is matching in these two factors, so we will say that these are not coprime. So this is how you have to solve your question number 4. Now the rest part is your homework. You have to do it by your own. Now coming on to next question, question number 5. You have to write the prime factorization of the following numbers. Similarly, we have to do the factors as we did in question number 4. In this also we have to do the simple factors and we will get our answer. So the first one is I am doing for you. The number is 36. You have to do the factor. See, we will see the number 36 in which table it is coming. It is coming in the table of 2. So you will write here 2 and divide it by 36 and you will get the answer 18. Now 18 in which table it is coming? It is coming in the table of 2. Again you will divide by 2 and you will get the answer 9. Now we will see 3 is coming in. Now 9 is divided by 3. So we will divide it by 3. We will get the answer 3. Again 3 is coming by the number itself. So we will divide it and we will get 1. We have to do the process till the time we are not getting 1. The time we will get 1, there we have to stop. And now the factors you have to write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This will be your answer. Now next E part, fifth E part I am doing. The number is 3528. So this will be divided by 2. We will divide this by 2, then we will get the answer 1764. We will write here. Then again you will see by which number this can be divided. Again this is divided by 2 only. So you will divide this by 2 and you will get the answer 882. Again this number is divided by 2. So you will write here 2 and divide it by 2 and you will write the answer here. Then this number cannot be divided by 2. Now we will see next number. Next is 3. So this can be easily divided by 3. So you will write here 3, and after dividing you will get the answer 147, that you will write here. Then again 147 is divided by 3 only, so you will divide it and you will write the answer 49 below. Then 49 is divided by 7, so you will write here 7 and divide it, and the answer is 7, that you will write below. Again the 7 is divided by the number itself, so you will write here 7, and 7 ones are 7 1. See, 1 came, now you have to stop here only. Now you have to write all these numbers in the form of multiplication, like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. This will be your answer. This is how you have to solve. Now coming on to question number 6. This question is also similar. You have to do factor as you did in question number 5. So this is very similar as question number 5. So this you can do it by your own. Now next question is 7th one. Write the common factor of each pair of numbers. Again you will do it similar as question number 5. First of all you will factor it as you did in question number 5. After doing factor, you will see what numbers are coming common. The number that are coming common will be our answer. Now let me do 7th D part for you. The number are 42 and 308. See how this has to be done. First of all we will do factor of 42. I had explained you many times. Now you can easily do it by your own, like this way. Then the factor of 308. Similarly, as I told you, as I explained you in question number 5, similarly you have to do the factors. Then you have to write their factors in front of them, like 42 factors are 3 into 2 into 3 into 7. Then 308, the factors are 2 into 2 into 7 into 11. Now you will see which numbers are coming common. Then you find 2 is coming and 7 is coming. So your common factor will be 2 and 7. This will be your answer. So this is how you have to solve the rest part of 7th question. Now for today till here it is enough. In next video I will explain you exercise 5th C.